Hello! Okay, so we have come to the final element of communication system. This video will cover data transmission specification. These include rules and procedures that coordinate the device. So, the learning outcome for this video. At the end of this video, you should be able to describe what is a data transmission factor, which is bandwidth and protocol. Data transmission. What is the factor that affect the data transmission in communication system? So the two factors that affect data transmission is bandwidth and protocols. What is a bandwidth? Is how much information can move across the communication channel in a given amount of time. Measurement of the width or capacity of the communication channel. So, there are four categories of bandwidth. The first one is voice band, also known as low bandwidth. Standard phone line is too slow for many types of transmission, especially high quality video because speeds are between 56 to 96 kilobit per second. The next one is medium band, with special lease lines to connect mini computers and mainframe, as well as to transmit data over long distance for larger computer systems not typically used by individuals. Band used for high capacity transmission, for example DSL, cable, satellite connections. Specialized high-speed devices effectively transmit high-quality video and other communications. Typically 1.5 megabit per second is the highest speed possible broadband for DSL, cable, satellite connection to the internet. And then finally, baseband. Baseband is for individual connections for computers in close range. So, these are four categories of bandwidth. Next, let's look into what is protocol. Protocols are communication rules for exchanging data between computers. There are two types of protocol in this video that we want to see. The first one is HTTPS, stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It's widely used to protect the transfer of sensitive data, normally used in transferring online banking. The second one is TCP/IP, stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. So what is TCP/IP? Each computer is identified with unique IP, which is Internet Protocol address. The essential features of protocol includes, the first one is identification. It identifying sending and receiving devices. Every computer on the internet has a unique numeric address called an IP address, Internet Protocol address. The second one is domain name server, DNS. So this is the process of identification, IP address, and then this is like a DNS, domain name server, that convert text-based address to IP address. So packetization allows message to be broken into small parts called packets, so easier to transmit over internet through various interconnected networks, allow message to be reassembled at destination. So TCP/IP is the most widely used protocol. So please check your printed mind maps. This is a simple one. In the element of communication system, we have data transmission specification. What are the factors that affect data transmission? There are two factors. Please remember, there are two factors that affect the data transmission. The first is the bandwidth and the protocol. In the bandwidth, we have four categories of bandwidth, which is voice band, medium band, broadband, and baseband. Whereas in the protocol, we have two types of protocol here. The most widely used are HTTPS, S stands for secure, and then TCP/IP, which divide our message into packet. Okay, so we have covered the sub-module in communication system, which is element of communication system data transmission specification. Next module, we will cover network. Yeah, so we'll see you in the next sub-module. Till then, bye!